This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to replace your BMW X5 wiper blade. First, make sure you have your new wiper blades and a soft towel ready to protect your windshield. Gently lift the wiper arm away from the glass until it locks into the service position. Now, look closely at the wiper blade where it connects to the arm. You'll see a small tab or button. Once you've located the release tab, press it firmly. While holding the tab, slide the old wiper blade down or up, depending on your model, to detach it from the wiper arm. Be very careful to keep a firm grip on the wiper arm so it doesn't snap back and hit your windshield, which could cause damage. Now, take your new wiper blade and align its connector with the hook on the wiper arm. Gently slide the new blade onto the arm. You should hear a distinct click when it's fully seated and locked into position. Give the blade a gentle tug to confirm it's securely attached and won't come loose during operation. With the new blade installed, carefully lower the wiper arm back onto the windshield. Don't just let it drop, guide it down gently. Repeat these steps for the other wiper blade on your BMW X5. Finally, turn on your car, activate the wipers with some washer fluid, and ensure they operate smoothly and clear your windshield effectively.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.